Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa Mike. Happy birthday to you.
Oh,
Yay! Yay! And my favorite part of when you were here last was Charlie bit my finger. My favorite thing was Charlie bit my finger.
Oh, Jager. We love you, Grandpa Mike. We hope you have happy birthday. Give him a kiss, Jager. Give him a kiss. Oh, kiss. Well, now it's all fogged up. Okay. Oh.